Hello, welcome back to our channel. We have something a bit different for today's video. Family meals are a very important part of the holiday for us, so we thought we'd share one of the ways we like to spice up the plain old roasted meat centerpiece. With the help of our daughter and son-in-law, we'll show you how we smoke meat. This is a 13-pound pork butt they will be smoking. Since it is so big, they cut it into 2 chunks. Otherwise, the smoking process would take far too long. The bones in this cut of meat can make it a challenge to cut. The seasoning we like to use is really simple, just kosher salt and black pepper. It's easy to flavor it to individual taste with different sauces after cooking. Now it is time to put the meat in the smoker. We start with a charcoal fire and then add pieces of wood that has been soaked in water. It's important to have a strong coal fire before adding the wood.
Towards the flames.
The smoke is enhanced by the moisture in the wood, and you can affect the flavor of the meat by using different kinds of wood. We prefer to use apple wood.
Okay. So we've been checking on this every 45 minutes or so. Right now it's hotter than I want. It's 300 degrees.
You want a constant temperature of 200 degrees Fahrenheit.
We're gonna cut off the air.
You up here cutting off the air.
Okay. And there's not enough smoke. So we'll take this chunk, turn off the sides, smolder away. We can get some wetter pieces.
Smoking with this type of smoker is an all-day affair, requiring regular monitoring and adjustment of the fire to maintain the correct temperature.
And just to make sure it doesn't go out, in the meantime, we'll put some more fuel on top. This is what's causing all the heat, because that's on fire. But that's okay. Now it's too cold. It's gone below 200. One, two, three, 5.
After many hours, we're finally getting that distinctive smoke look.
Let's see. It's gotta be at least 160.
The same techniques can be used to smoke other kinds of meat. The size and fat content of the meat affects the amount of time it will need to cook for.
Yeah, okay, 150. Oh. Okay, so I just checked it and we got it to 160. That's good. It's safe to eat now, but we really want to go higher to break down the connective tissue and make it softer and more fun to eat. So I've piled on some more wood here. I don't really mind if it gets pretty hot now, so we're going to let that wood catch light and see if we can get it maybe up here in the barbecue range, 300, 350. And if we can cook it like that for another hour, I think we'll get it up to 170, 175. Okay, so it's 5 o'clock and the fire has burned itself out. So what did we get? We got it up to 180 on the big one. We got it up to, I won't focus, but we got it up to 185, 190 on the big one, or the small one. That's pretty good. Should be pretty tender.
Nearly 8 hours of smoking later, and the meat is ready for plating. It's tender and easily pulled apart by hand. Thanks for watching.